I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the service is active, then restart it to clear transient faults. Once done, toggle Talkback off and wait about 5 seconds before turning it back on so settings reload. Make sure to perform a soft reboot if toggling doesn't restore speech. This flushes cached processes and often fixes driver hangs. While rebooting, keep headphones disconnected and check that system volume is audible. This sequence addresses the majority of simple failures quickly, saving time before deeper troubleshooting. Once Talkback restarts, inspect its internal settings because misconfiguration causes weird behavior. Open speech settings and make sure language and speech rate match expectations. Extreme rates can break timing. Then verify app permissions. Microphone and audio focus must not be blocked. Next, scan for apps that modify audio or provide alternate accessibility services. Temporarily disable those to see if they conflict. These detailed checks explain why sound or gesture responses may fail, and they isolate software interference before you change system-level options. If prior steps fail, clear the Talkback app cache and, if necessary, its data to remove corrupt settings. You can also uninstall updates and reinstall from system updates to restore a known good version. Make sure the text-to-speech engine is updated and set as default, because mismatched engines cause silent output. Finally, consider backup and factory reset only when other options are exhausted. Troubleshooting tip: if sound is missing, test TTS in another app. If it works, the issue is app-specific, not Talkback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.